We got the third Harbor Breeze Echolake. It's definitely the worst one. Dirtiest, moldiest, light cape bentest. So yeah, not much else to say about it. So let's get started. This was one with the repainted blades. I think some of it might actually be grill soot because this one's closest to the grill. Also, is a swinger. I think the switch housing has actually been on this one. It's kind of weird. That's the nature of these, they're cheap. Oh, look at it, it's already swinging away. This is low. How is it wobbling this bad? Yeah, we definitely need some new fans for in here. These ones are all screwed up. Other one's running on medium right now. Yeah. I'm gonna go up to medium pretty soon. I don't trust this thing. There it goes. It's kind of fixing itself. I think this one's the fastest one here. These are alright fans for what they are. Although the price is kind of steep for them, they're $100. $120 actually. So there's medium. Light kit's also broken on this one. And the light chain has been added to the fan because fan one disappeared off this one as well. I swear to God I didn't take it. Alright, let's go to high. Already looks like it's on high. I hate this thing. It swings so much. It freaks me out. I always think it's gonna fall. Yeah, this is probably the fastest one here. It's flying here. Moving somehow, I think. Definitely doesn't do much. Alright, I'm gonna shut this one off. Show a little bit of a spin down for this one too. It looks like it's a J-hook fan, it swings so much. It's because everything is loose. Blades are loose. Down rod screws are loose everywhere. So we just need to tighten it up and it should be okay. But I still want to get new fans for in here. So, it's going to end the video for the final Harbor Breeze Echolake. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.